If you've been thinking about starting a business on the side with a product or a solution that you are excited about and you'd like to make an impact in the community or the society around you, then this message is for you. My name is Weide-Market and I'm the Chief Wealth Coach and Success Ambassador at WeideMarket. We are excited to launch a program coming up soon, specifically tailored towards people who want to start a business, but also want to make the business successful. Did you know that 80% of businesses that start fail within the first 5 years of opening their doors? Those businesses that make it past the 5-year mark, another 80% end up closing their doors in the next 5 years after that. This program is designed to help people get started with their businesses, but also understand the business as a business and not just the technician in creating the business. If you'd like to find out more, click the link below or get in touch via the WeideMarket Facebook page so we can send you some more information and answer any questions you might have. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care, be blessed. I'll catch you on the flip side. Cheers.